Damn it! Son of a bitch! You... Motherfucker! My world is fucked!
That was weird. I'm much calmer now. Look, I'm not a man of science, but you seem incredibly passed away. But it's good to see you. I gotta be honest, I've always wanted to ride with you, Logue. You and me getting into it, Deadpool and Wolverine just fucking shit up. Can you imagine the fun, the chaos, the residuals? G'day, mate. There's nothing that'll bring me back to life faster than a big bag of marble cash. Me too, Hugh. But no. No. Oh, you had to get all noble and die for real. God damn it! I could really use your help right now. I'm warning you, I'm not alone!
Wade Winston Wilson, you are under arrest by the Time Variance Authority for too many crimes to list. Come out.
Oh,
Extend you the courtesy
death by day player.
Last chance. Throw out your weapons and come out peacefully.
I'm not gonna give you my weapons, but I promise not to use them. There are 206 bones in the human body. 207 if I'm watching Gossip Girl. Here we go. Maximum effort. Okay, Peanut. Guess we're getting that team up after all.